Hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. In this video, we will see 5 networking commands. Let's get started. In this video, we will see another 5 networking commands that will help you for managing your computer system. I already made one video of top 10 networking commands. If you are not see that video, then go to my description box. I provided the link of that video. It is very important video, so watch that video also. Let's start learning the another 5 networking commands. Before that, I would tell you that don't skip this video. It is very important if you want to learn different networking commands. First of all, start your command prompt. I assume that you are simultaneously checking the command in your command prompt for your better understanding. Number 1. The curl command is a versatile tool used to transfer data from or to a server via various protocols such as HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and more. It's commonly used in network troubleshooting, automation scripts, and APIs. Let's try this command in our CMD. Type curl https://example.com and see output. This is basic command of curl. You can see it provides certain HTML code. It actually provides raw HTML content of example.com website homepage. Actually, there are another operation of curl command is also there, but this is the basic command of curl for your understanding. In summary, curl is a powerful and flexible tool ideal for developers, system administrators, and anyone working with networked applications. I hope you understand this command. Let's go to the next command. Number 2. Guys, second command is Driverquery. The Driverquery command in Windows is used to display a list of all the device drivers installed on your system, along with important details such as the driver name, display name, type, and the date of the driver. It can be useful for troubleshooting hardware or driver issues, as it helps to ensure that drivers are up to date or to find a specific driver if needed. Let's try the Driverquery command in our CMD. Type Driverquery in CMD. You can see some processes are running. Actually, it provides all the information of drivers that is installed in your system. It is a helpful command for catching the hardware-related issue. In summary, the Driverquery command is a valuable tool for system administrators, IT professionals, and users troubleshooting hardware and driver-related issues. It provides a list of drivers installed on a Windows system along with details like driver names, types, and installation dates, helping to diagnose problems related to outdated or missing drivers. I hope you understand this command also. Let's go to the next command. Number 3. Guys, our third command is Whoami. The Whoami command in Windows is a simple but powerful command line utility that displays information about the user currently logged into the system. Let's try this command in CMD and see the output. Just type Whoami in CMD, and you can see that you got 2 string. Actually, it is sensitive information, so I hide this. But in your CMD, you can see the string of your system. It provides 2 things. One is machine name, and another is account name that is corresponding to your system. In summary, the Whoami command is a quick way to determine the identity of the current user and their associated details, such as groups, privileges, and domain. It's a safe, non-intrusive tool, often used in system administration and troubleshooting scenarios. Guys, I hope you understand this command also. Let's go to the next command. Number 4. Guys, our fourth command is Wmic. The Wmic, Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line, command, provides a command line interface for Windows Management Instrumentation, Wmi, which is a set of specifications from Microsoft for managing and monitoring Windows-based systems. Wmic allows users to query system information, configure system settings, and manage system resources. Let's try this command. Just type wm IC product get name. And you can see it takes time for output. So, after some time you can see it provides some details. Actually, this command provides all the software that is installed in your system. It is a one operation of Wmic. There is another operation is also there. But for your understanding, I think this one command is enough. So in summary, Wmic is a powerful tool for querying and managing various aspects of your Windows system. It provides detailed information on hardware, software, processes, services, and more, which is invaluable for troubleshooting, system management, and gathering system information. However, be cautious when using it in production environments, as some commands can alter system settings. So guys, I hope you understand this command also. Let's go to our last command. Number 5. So guys, our last command is Scquery. The Scquery command is a Windows command line tool used to retrieve information about services running on the system. It provides details about the status, configuration, and behavior of Windows services. So let's try this command. So just type Scquery in your CMD, and you can see some processes are running. Actually, it provides a list of services that is currently running in your system. I hide the output of this command because it is sensitive information. And I would also recommend you that don't share output of this command to anyone. So finally, in conclusion, the Scquery command is a powerful tool for managing and troubleshooting Windows services. It provides detailed insights into service behavior and state, helping administrators diagnose and resolve issues efficiently. So guys, I hope you understood these 5 networking commands. These commands are essential for system administrators, IT professionals, and developers, offering diagnostic, configuration, and troubleshooting capabilities across a variety of system aspects, such as services, users, network operations, and hardware. However, you should be taking care when sharing the outputs of some of these commands, as they may reveal sensitive system or user data. So see you in next video. Before that, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.